Hello, my old school soul food YouTube subscribers. I'm Chef Jeffrey, back with another video today. Before I get started, like I always say, please subscribe to my channel. It's a little red button right down here on the screen. On my left hand side there. Click that, subscribe. You also get notifications every time I upload a new video. So please do that. And I also have other social media accounts. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Old School Soul Food. All of them Old School Soul Food. So today, I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorites, Southern dessert, old school dessert, comfort food dessert, sweet potato pie. So that's what we're going to make it today. I already got my pie crust. I bake my pie crust maybe 5 minutes in the oven because I don't like a soggy crust. And I realized throughout the years, to eliminate that sogginess of the sweet potato pie, I bake my crust about 5 minutes to give it that barrier between the sweet potato filling and the raw pie crust. So it'll cook completely through and you'll have a crispy crust from the beginning to the end, even underneath your potatoes. And I think that's very important. Also important thing, when you buy your sweet potato, of course, make sure they're nice and fresh. No dings, no black spots, nothing like that. You know, pretty much like this. I'll cut on the light just in case y'all can't see good. And make sure they're all the same size. The reason I want them all the same size, because what I do, a lot of people that don't do, some people might do this, I bake my sweet potatoes. I bake them in the skin, and two things it does. It preserves the color. You want your sweet potato to be nice and orange. That preserves the color. Also, it preserves the natural sugar. Sweet potato has a natural sugar in it, and it cannot be duplicated by any kind of manufactured sugar. So it does two purposes. It saves the color, and it preserves the natural sugar. That's why I bake my potato. I don't peel them and boil them like a lot of people. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put these on the pan, regular sheet pan. And like I said, it's very important they're all the same size so they can cook the same time. You don't want a small potato and a big potato. Of course, the small potato going to cook before, and the big potato's not going to be ready. You have to pull it out, take the small one out. This way, all these will cook pretty much the same time and be ready at the same time. So I'm going to cook these in the oven about an hour, 350 degrees. I'll check periodically. Sometimes it takes less, sometimes it takes more. After 30, 45 minutes, I'll check and see. You want a nice, soft potato when they're done. So we're going to get these in the oven, and while they're cooking, we'll come back in a second when they're ready and put it together in the mixer. It's a very simple process, sweet potato pie. You'll see. So we'll be back when they're ready, all right? All right, y'all, I'm back. My sweet potatoes are ready. I got them out of the oven here. I already peeled them. And like I was telling y'all, the key to boiling the difference between boiling the sweet potatoes and baking them. See how that nice orange color you get right there. You preserve the color of the sweet potato. You preserve the natural sweetness, and that's what you get when you bake them instead of boiling. If you boil them, you boil all the color out of them and the natural sweetness in them. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put them in the mixer here. And like I say, my recipe to this is online or in the description of the video here. So y'all wonder if I don't put telling you exactly the amount that I'm putting in here. And the recipe is on the description of the video. Okay, put these in here, and I'm gonna whip them up here. These are warm. I like to do my sweet potatoes while they're still warm. I don't like them to be cold because I think it makes them mix better than a cold potato. Also, if you see what I'm doing, I mix my potatoes first. This is going to eliminate a lot of the streams that you get in your potatoes. If I do have some streams, I will strain them, but 75% of the time, I don't have a lot of strings in my potatoes. Mix it, you know, push it down here so it all get incorporated. Like I said, I think this is the most important part of sweet potatoes is just whipping the potato up first. Okay, while it's whipping, I got the egg. I use 2 kinds of sugar. I use granulated sugar and I use a little brown sugar. I got cinnamon, nutmeg in here, vanilla, and of course a little evaporated milk. I use evaporated milk if it's too thick. I'll thin it out with evaporated milk, and I still will add a little bit more too in it also. Okay. Like I say, this what I do is to eliminate all those strings. There's nothing worse than eating a stringy sweet potato pie. It just ruins the whole pie. Okay, now I'm gonna add the egg a little at a time. It really, after you add the eggs, there's no real science of what you add next. I like to get my eggs incorporated first. Let me put this down here. That's the key, y'all. Now my eggs, I'm gonna add my butter. Put this down. I don't want butter all over me. Got about 4 ounces of butter there. Add my granulated sugar. Brown sugar. And I'm doing double the recipe here, so it looks like a lot. Because one sweet potato pie ain't gonna last in this house, in this neighborhood. If I make one sweet potato pie, that's like a offense to my neighbors and friends and relatives. Who makes one sweet potato pie? I always make at least 2. Sometimes I make 4. Real good. Look like I don't need to even add any evaporated milk. Let me add the vanilla and the cinnamon and nutmeg. That's the key too for sweet potato pie. You gotta have a cinnamon and nutmeg. You know, sweet potato pie is so easy. Like I say, this is just a southern staple, sweet potato pie. I mean, if you're from the South and you don't eat sweet potato pie, I think something's wrong with you. It's not normal. I like to taste mine and make sure it has enough sugar in it. Add a little bit more sugar. Personally, I think you need a little bit more sugar in it. The reason I tried for the sugar, because the sweet potato sometimes it doesn't have enough sugar. So I'm gonna put another half a cup of sugar in there. Right. Scrape it down again. You want to scrape all the bottom of the mixing bowl and everything. Make sure you get everything in there. You get everything in there. See how smooth that batter is? There's no strings or nothing in it. Like I say, that's the key of mixing the potatoes first and getting it all whipped up and then adding all the other ingredients. See, I didn't even need to add evaporated milk to it. Didn't even need to add that. Okay, that's it. Take this off. All right. Put that in there. Scrape this around here. See how smooth that is? No strings, nothing. No strings on that. Nice, smooth batter. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna pour it in the pie shells. Like a real high sweet potato pie. Look at that. And this is a deep dish shells too, y'all. Make sure we get all that out of there. Just smooth it all around to the edges. And that's another thing that's important. Make sure it's completely touching the edges, because you don't want your sweet potato pie to get cool. I like cool sweet potato pie to come apart from the edges. I like for them to be completely on the edges. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna check it after 30 minutes just to make sure. And it don't take 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. It'll be ready. So we'll come back and put it in the oven here. See how easy that was? We'll be back to check it out when it come out. Oh yeah, okay y'all, we back here. Gonna see if these things are ready. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Nice sweet potato pie. See how high I have mine? See that? I like my sweet potatoes very, very high. It kind of cracked on me, but it's okay. It's gonna go down once it cools, and then it'll be perfectly cooked. But like I say, also in the recipe, if you like a thinner sweet potato pie, or not as thick like mine, I like a high pie. You can always add, like I say, I left out the evaporated milk, but you can add that in there and give you a looser, more thinner batter. But I like mine like this. You can make it either way, but I'm gonna let these cool and we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut it and show you how it is. All right. Okay, y'all, we back. Sweet potato pie is all cool off. Actually, I stuck this one in the refrigerator to kind of cool it off a little bit more. This one still needs to set up a little while before it's cool. But we're gonna cut this up and we're gonna see what we got here. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Nice thick piece of sweet potato pie. Look how. See how thick that is? That's what I like. Nice thick piece. Let's taste this thing. Mm-hmm. See that? No strings, nothing. That's why I make mine thick like that. I like a higher pie. See how high that is? How thick that is? Very simple recipe. Like I say, recipes in the description. Also, see how flaky the crust is? It's not soggy. That's another reason I par bake my crust 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. Give it a little, cook the dough just a little. Because I don't like the sogginess in there. And this is not soggy. The crust is not soggy at all. It's very crispy on the bottom. Sometimes when you put the mixture in there and the dough is doughy, it leaks through when you have a soggy bottom crust. This eliminates that. So that's another tip. So try this recipe, share this recipe, and until my next video, have a blessed old school soul food day.